Yeah, this is my first job itself. I don't know what to expect. I'm just excited, waiting for that day to come by.
I was just as excited as Jay when I got my first job. For him, it's a dream come true at such a young age. He was recently placed by a team at Ripley. Let's talk about his experience. Jay, why did you choose USCMA?
Basically, I was preparing for Indian CA, so it didn't work out. So, and after that, pandemic happened. There were very few options to be precise. So I thought, let's pursue USCMA first, which will give me a global recognition and I can get a good job based upon that. So that's the reason why I pursued USCMA.
Well, everything always works out. Tell us about your interview experience.
Yeah, there were total 4 rounds for me. 3 were technical and 1 was HR round. Understanding concepts is a key part for me, and that's the reason why I was confident in the technical round.
So, did you prepare for the technical rounds?
No. Frankly speaking, no, because what we have learned in the past, so in a day to recapture all of it or to go through all of it would be difficult. Actual interview, we might make some goof-ups. That's happened to me in the previous interviews.
So, what went wrong?
The goof-up was basically they had asked me a journal entry. On any other day, I could have or I would have answered correctly, but because I was nervous, it was my first interview itself. So yeah, it was about, I guess, depreciation what they had asked me. So the mistake that I did was actually it's depreciation account debit to accumulated depreciation. I did it ulta. The interviewer asked me, "Are you sure?" Yes, I was like, "Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I have answered it correctly." Yeah, so that was a goof that I made.
What did you learn from such an experience?
That is not being nervous. If I will be nervous, then those easy questions that are asked in the interview, yeah, I'm gonna mess it up again. So better be confident. No need to be nervous. The first thing that is to be confident in yourself. The second is not to be nervous. Being nervous can lead to some goof-ups that I have experienced. And the third is to answer those questions confidently that you are thorough with. And if there is a certain question that you don't know the answer or might know the answer to, then just tell the interviewer frankly that you are not sure. Your best possible guess is XYZ. My inspiration in my life is my late grandfather because he achieved a lot through his hard work. The way he has done a hard work in his life from going zero to achieving what he has. So yeah, I don't have to look outside. It's just that follow his, take him as an inspiration and follow his path.
Sweet Jay. Sometimes our biggest inspirations are right in front of us. Who's your biggest inspiration? Drop it down in the comments below. Other than accounting, what else do you like to do?
I cycle a lot, and that's something a stress buster for me. It relieves a lot of stress where I can meet new people on the group rides.
Coming back to accounting, I see behind you there are a couple of familiar books.
Yeah, I'm pursuing US CPA. So yeah, here are the books. The YD CPA books written by Varun Sir. After being rejected in 2 or 3 companies, I was a bit nervous or got a bit demotivated. So yeah, guys from the placement team actually told me that everything happens in life is for a reason. So yeah, there might be something great written for you. You might be the one or the lucky one who will get to work in his field of interest. So yeah, that's what has happened.
Jay, best of luck for your job and your CPA journey. US CPA and CMA are like the winning formula to succeed in the world of accounting. Minds has helped place thousands of CPAs and CMAs across the world. It could be your winning formula too. Check out our website to know more.